So I bought this used sink, but I paid $40 for it. It's in good shape, really, and it just has a chip here, which is why I bought this superfine white milliput. And it's not a real white. I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't really have to come up much, but I do definitely want to seal this edge. I might not need to do it much at all, but I don't know, we'll see how it looks. So this milliput came in this plastic, which may be good for the start, but if you gotta seal it up. So I'm gonna have to find a different plastic to wrap these in so they don't get dried out, because if they get dried out, they're nearly impossible to work with. So once I open them, cut off what I need, then I'm gonna wrap them in a plastic. Maybe this kind of plastic. I think that'll work. This kind of plastic. I'm going to take part of it. You know, I think I'm going to get rid of this junk first. This has to be the same thickness as this edge, because it will be sitting on the counter. Then again, I could probably sand it flat, which is probably what I'll do. But I want to spread it out, so this piece is attached to the back here. So I think I'll make it a little bit heavier. I'll try to make it stick out a little bit more, and then I'll sand it down. I can't think of a... way to do it. Okay, I got a bunch of left over. What am I going to do with that? Let's be creative. Next day, this is hard as a rock, and I am going to sand it with this, so we'll see how that turns out. This might need to be replaced. So flat this way, so when it sits on the counter it won't pop up, plus caulk will be there, and probably clean up this edge a little bit, but it's very secure, and that's the way it looks on the side. But you probably won't see that. That is very smooth, fills in that crack nicely. Obviously the color doesn't match, but I don't know, I'll have to think about that later.